Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are looking for latest off-campus and walking drives in Bangalore, then today's video is for you. In this video, we have almost 10 to 11 hiring opportunities that are currently live in Bangalore. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you will not miss any hiring update. And before we start, if you are new to the channel, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Also, if you have any doubt related anything, please feel free to ask in comment section. Now our first opportunity is from Infineon Technologies, and candidates with bachelor's or master's degree in ECE or computer science can apply. And company hasn't mentioned any specific passing out batch in the job description, but so I would recommend eligible recent graduates and young graduates to check the official posting. Okay, I will provide the official link in description. And this role is focused on Wi-Fi validation software testing for IoT devices. That's why only ECE and computer science branches eligible for this. Now application process is very simple. You just have to click on the official link I will provide in description. Fill out your basic details and just upload your resume and then just submit. And now let's move to our another opportunity, that is from GKN Aerospace for the position of trainee technology in Bangalore. And this is a 15-month training program designed to develop engineering trainees through structured learning and real world projects. So a company is specifically mentions that bachelor's, BE, BTech in computer science, information technology, data science, AI and machine learning are only eligible for this. And role is covers a wide range of technologies like Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, data science, AI, ML, and all the skills that are listed over here. So if you are interested in this hiring, and I would recommend that you should definitely apply for this if you are from 26 25, because they haven't mentioned any specific batch. But if you are a recent graduate, you can check it out. Official link will be provided in description. Now coming to next, we have Thermo Fisher Scientific Technologies, and they are hiring for the position of software engineer located in Bangalore. And this one is particularly important for freshers because the job description clearly says that no prior software development experience is required. So a bachelor's degree is only required with preferred fields like computer science, software engineering, related technical fields. And job does not specify a particular graduation batch, or but they have declared that no prior experience is required. So if you are from 26, 25, 24 and you are looking for your first job, then you can apply for this. And for this role you should have knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, oops, all the basic skills you should have. And to apply, you just have to visit the official link given in description, fill out your basic details, upload your resume and then just submit. And for all the opportunities, please apply as early as you can because they haven't mentioned any last date to apply. So we don't know how long these opportunities are gonna live, so please apply. Now coming to next, we have Lanmea Group for AI and Software Engineering intern in Bangalore. This is a full-time paid internship for 2 to 4 months, and the stipend will be 30,000 per month. And this opportunity is for candidates who are currently in their final year or recently completed their degree. So 2027 and 2026 batch are eligible for this. And talking about the skills, so you should have knowledge of open source data platforms, analytics, cloud infrastructure, so all the basic AI related skills. And since the company mentions that final year students and recent graduate are eligible, so final year students and recent graduates should check this out. This is going to be a very good opportunity for you if you got shortlisted. And to apply, you just have to send your resume on given HR email. I will provide this HR email in the description. And now coming to next, we have EY, and they are hiring for the position for analyst assurance, and the location will be Bangalore. This opportunity is especially important for BCA candidates, and official requirement says that bachelor's of computer application and 0 to 1 year experience. So this is a good opportunity for BCA freshers and candidates with up to 1 year of experience. And talking about the skills, so you should know SQL, Power BI, Python. And if you are from BCA background, then do not miss this opportunity. Apply highly. I will provide the official link in description. And if you have any doubt related to anything, please feel free to ask in comment section. Now coming to next, we have Hitachi Energy, and they are hiring for the position of management trainee. Location will be Bangalore, and this is an entry level full time trainee role. And please pay attention over here. The job specifically mentions that fresh VTech in electrical and electronics engineering. So this hiring is only for electrical and electronics branch. So now if you are interested in this hiring, then please visit the official link provided in description. And they haven't mentioned any specific pass out year, but they have specifically says that fresh BTech in electrical and electronics engineering. So 26, 25 and 24 looking for batch students looking for job can definitely apply for this if they are interested in management trainee role. Now coming to next, we have Tesco, and they are hiring for software development engineer in Bangalore. Work mode will be hybrid, and this hiring is not for fresher opportunity. This is for experienced candidates, and the last day to apply is 20th August 2026. So if you hold some kind of experience, then you can check it out. I will provide the official link in description. Now coming to next, we have Pico, and they are hiring for software engineer in Bangalore. 1 to 3 years of experience candidates are eligible for this. So this hiring is also for experienced candidates. So if you have 1 to 3 years of experience, you can check it out. I will provide the official link in description. And guys, these were the hirings that we currently have in Bangalore. And if you find this video helpful, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And if you have any doubt related anything, please feel free to ask in comment section. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.